my name's Grafton, and I just finished a project with Preston Vans. So this video is just to endorse Dave Preston's work with Preston Vans. I had a really great experience working with him. Let's see, about a year and a few months ago, I bought this ambulance. It's a 95 E350. It's a 7.3 turbo diesel, and it had a previously, it was converted previously by the prior owner, but it had a short roof, so it was like a 5.7 inch roof, and then we did this roof raise here. So we raised the roof about 8 inches. Now it's about 6'4", and I gutted it. I ended up gutting it. I wasn't planning to do that, but once the roof was raised, everything looked weird. And so I took some cabinets out. I took some more cabinets out. And I ended up just with one little corner with the sink in it. And I thought, well, I might as well just take that out and just start from scratch. So that's what I did, and it's really easy to take things apart, and it's kind of hard to put them back together. So I was a little over my head as a DIY. I'm not really much of a DIY guy, and this was my first big DIY project. So I got a little bit of the ways, and then I kind of threw up my hands and said, I need some help. Life is getting busy, and I don't have time for this, and it's a really intense project. So I brought it into Dave, and I got his opinion on what he could do to help me, and ended up hiring him to do the rest of the work for me. And I've been really impressed with what he was able to do. I'll give you a little tour of the van now that you know the story. And let's see, this is